Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to boost your Google Drive upload speed. Step 1. Install the Speed Uploader extension. 1. Right-click on any file and hover over Open. 2. Click on Connect More Apps. 3. Search for Speed Uploader for Google Drive in the top bar. 4. Click on the red result, then the blue Continue button. 5. Scroll down and click Continue. Step 2. Configure the extension. 1. Wait for a moment without pressing anything. 2. To prevent files from opening with this extension, deactivate the checkbox in the Open window. 3. Press OK and close the windows. Step 3. Upload files using the extension. 1. Search for Speed Uploader for Google Drive on Google. 2. Click on the first result. 3. Click the blue link below the main heading. 4. Select Add Root Folders and then upload file to this folder. 5. Minimize the Drive window, drag the file you want to upload, and click Upload. That's it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.